This home's gone through a beautiful transformation and has evolved to become the house that it is today. The home has a peaceful setting, and most windows that you look out have a beautiful leafy outlook. I love that it backs onto the reserve, and just not having neighbours behind just really emphasises the sense of nature. The home's really versatile. It's set over 3 levels with functional living spaces, which is really going to appeal to growing families. There's space where you can be together, a place where you can entertain, and a great private backyard for the kids to play.